Imagine being able to learn any skill 3 times faster than the average person. Whether it's mastering coding, picking up a new language, or understanding complex subjects like finance or physics, what if you could absorb knowledge with superhuman efficiency? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not, because right now AI is rewriting the rules of human learning. From personalized tutors that adapt to your brain to tools that summarize entire books in seconds, artificial intelligence is giving ordinary people extraordinary learning speed. And those who learn how to use it will soon outsmart everyone else. We've entered an age where knowledge is power, and AI is the ultimate amplifier. For centuries, learning was slow, repetitive, and limited by human attention. You had to read, memorize, and practice for years to gain mastery. But artificial intelligence is changing that permanently. Today, AI can teach you faster than any textbook, explain complex ideas in plain English, and build you a personalized roadmap to mastery. It doesn't matter if you're a student, freelancer, or entrepreneur. AI is the most powerful learning accelerator humanity has ever created. And the people who learn how to use it effectively will have an almost unfair advantage in the world ahead. So in this video, we'll break down how AI can help you learn 3 times faster with the tools, techniques, and mental models that can turn you into a high-speed learner. Let's begin. 1. The old way of learning is broken. For decades, education has followed a one-size-fits-all model. Everyone learns from the same textbook, at the same speed with the same expectations. But humans don't learn the same way. Some people are visual learners, others learn by doing. Some absorb knowledge quickly in bursts, while others need repetition and reflection. The problem? Traditional systems ignore all of that. As a result, we waste time, the most valuable resource we have. AI fixes this by creating a personalized learning experience, adapting to how you learn best. Instead of studying harder, AI helps you study smarter. 2. AI as your personal learning coach. The first way AI helps you learn faster is through personalization. Apps like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini can act as intelligent tutors, guiding you step by step through complex subjects. You can ask, "Explain quantum physics like I am 10." Turn this research paper into a 5-minute summary. Quiz me on what I just learned. AI breaks down information based on your level, gives examples you understand, and adjusts explanations in real time. It's like having a personal teacher who never gets tired, never judges you, and is available 24/7. This kind of adaptive feedback accelerates learning dramatically, because you're not wasting time on what you already know. You're always learning at your optimal challenge level, that sweet spot where your brain grows fastest. 3. Turn information overload into knowledge. In today's world, information isn't scarce and it's overwhelming. Thousands of new videos, books, and articles are released daily. The problem isn't finding information, it's filtering it. AI helps solve this through information compression. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Summarize.tech can digest hours of content into a few key points, turning massive data into bite-sized insights. For example, upload a 100-page PDF and ask AI to summarize the key ideas in 10 bullet points. Use tools like Scholar AI or Elicit to find and simplify complex academic research. Or ask AI to create a learning roadmap for any topic, from beginner to expert, using the best available resources online. This turns the entire internet into your personal AI-powered library. And instead of drowning in data, you're now curating wisdom. 4. Learn by doing with AI as your co-pilot. One of the fastest ways to learn is through active learning, doing instead of just reading. AI makes this easier than ever. Want to learn coding? Tools like Replit Ghostwriter or GitHub Copilot don't just write code for you, they explain why each line works, turning every project into an interactive classroom. Want to learn design? Tools like Canva AI or Adobe Firefly give instant creative feedback. Want to learn business? Ask AI to simulate business scenarios like, pretend you're my investor. Pitch back why my business would fail. You're not just consuming knowledge, you're interacting with it. This constant feedback loop teaches your brain through experience, the fastest and most natural way humans learn. 5. Mastering the forgetting curve with AI. There's a psychological truth about learning called the forgetting curve. Within a week, you forget up to 80% of what you learn unless you review it. But here's where AI gives you superpowers. Using AI tools like AI&YOU&ME, Quizlet AI, or ChatGPT's memory features, you can automatically generate smart flashcards and quizzes that target what you're forgetting. The AI tracks your performance and adjusts the difficulty, so you review just enough to retain information permanently. This process is called spaced repetition, and when powered by AI, it becomes effortless. You're not wasting time relearning old material. You're reinforcing knowledge at the exact moment your brain is about to forget it. That's how elite learners retain 3 times more in the same amount of time. 6. Building AI-enhanced learning systems. Learning faster isn't about using random tools. It's about building a system. Here's how you can design your own AI-powered learning ecosystem. Curate. Use AI to research and organize what's worth learning. Example: create a 30-day plan to learn machine learning from scratch. Understand. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to explain tough concepts in simple terms. Apply. Use AI simulators, mock tests, or projects to practice in real-world scenarios. Review. Generate quizzes and summaries using AI flashcard tools. Reflect. Ask AI to analyze your mistakes and suggest improvements. This turns your learning into a self-improving feedback loop, where every session makes the next one more efficient. 7. AI plus neurolearning. Hacking the brain's speed. AI doesn't just make learning easier. It helps us understand how the brain learns best. Neuroscience now shows that we learn faster when we combine visual, auditory, and emotional inputs. A process called multi-sensory learning. AI can simulate all of these. Generate audio summaries of any topic so you can learn on the go. Create visual explainers or animations using tools like Pika Labs or Runway ML. Use MindGrasp or Explain Paper to simplify technical concepts until they click. By turning passive learning into an immersive experience, you're activating multiple brain regions at once, which supercharges memory and understanding. This is how you learn 3 times faster without even realizing it. 8. The real secret: learning how to ask better questions. Here's a truth few people realize. AI is only as powerful as the questions you ask it. If you ask vague questions, you'll get vague answers. But if you ask precise, context-rich questions, AI becomes a genius teacher. Here's an example. Instead of asking, "Explain stock investing," ask this: "Explain stock investing like I'm a 16-year-old who wants to understand how companies make money through shares. Give me analogies and a 7-day learning plan." See the difference? The second question gives AI context, purpose, and a structure, resulting in exponentially better output. So if you want to learn faster using AI, start by mastering the art of prompt engineering, the ability to ask powerful questions that lead to powerful understanding. 9. Learning anything, even skills of the future. The most exciting part? AI doesn't just help you learn faster. It helps you learn what matters most. It can predict which skills will be in high demand in the future so you can stay ahead of the curve. For instance, AI trend trackers can show that skills like prompt engineering, automation design, AI video production, data analysis, creative strategy will dominate the next decade. By combining AI's predictive insights with your accelerated learning, you can become future-proof, learning tomorrow's skills today. That's the true meaning of 3 times faster. It's not just speed, it's direction. the future of learning isn't about spending more time studying. It's about using AI to study smarter, faster, and deeper. AI isn't replacing curiosity. It's amplifying it. You still bring the passion, the goals, and the creativity. But AI gives you the roadmap, the tools, and the feedback to reach mastery in record time. So whether you're learning to code, trade, design, or simply grow as a thinker, don't fight AI. Collaborate with it. Because in this new era, the smartest people won't be those who know the most. They'll be the ones who learn the fastest. And now, you have the tools to become one of them.